foreign key is a constraint is used to provide actions that would destroy links between tables. Foreign key is a field or collection of fields in one table that refers to their primary key in another table. The table with the foreign key is called the child table, and the table with the primary key is called a reference or parent table. So here we have created a table which has foreign keys. So this becomes a child table, and the parent tables are the customer table and the product table. We're linking the customer ID with the primary key of this table, which is the customer table. And again, we are linking this column with the ID or the primary key from the products table. We use join when two tables column has the same value. Example, so we'll try to join the orders table and the customers table. Here, the customers table has the ID, which is the primary key here. And here in the order table, we have the customer ID and the foreign key as the foreign key. And here we're linking the customer ID, the foreign key in the orders table, and the primary key of the customers table name, and the ID primary key. So we say foreign key, the customer underscore ID from this table references to the customer's table name, and the primary ID. Here's the syntax for the query. Select the column's name. You can have multiple columns, and from table 1, which has the foreign key, and the join, which has the primary key. And the order doesn't matter. Like here, you can enter order 2, table 2, and here you can enter table 1. And on table 1, the column name, which has the key, foreign key, and table 2, column name, which is the primary key. Again, this can be interchanged, as in the order. And if we look at our example, like when we are joining orders and customers table, like you're here, this is from orders table, you're getting the order number, and these are from the customers table, you're getting first name, last name, and address. And this is first table and second table. It doesn't matter if you mention orders here or here. And there's the inner join you're using on orders, the foreign key, because you have this customer ID from the customers table, and is equal to the primary key, which is from the customers table itself. And also doesn't matter if you're mentioning customer's ID here or here.